Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add data labels outside the pie chart. So let's start this is my Excel and here you can see I have data, category, column and cell summary. And here I'm going to create the pie chart. So to create the pie chart, simply select your data, you just drag the mouse and select your entire data. After that, go to the Insert tab. In Charts group, click on the pie chart and select the first 2D pie chart. And you can see your pie chart is inserted with the Chart Design tab and Formats tab. So here I'm going to add the data label outside the pie chart. Okay, simply click on the plus sign, the Charts Elements option. And here you can see the second option, Data Labels. Okay, just click on the box and then click on this arrow and here click on the third option outside end and that's it. Here you can see your data label add in outside of the pie charts. Okay, with this data label you can add the category, series name and percentage also. So same as just click on the pie chart and then click on the chart element option. Then in data labels click on this arrow, then click on the more option and you can see the labels option is shown. If you want to add the series name, just click on this box and you can see the series name is added. Series name means amongst column name, the cells. Okay. Now, if you want to add the category, just click on the category and you can see the category also added. If you want to add the percentage, just click on the percentage option and see here the percentage also added. Okay. You can add the legends key also, just click on this box. Okay. See, legend key is a small box indicate the colors of the every slice with this category. So here also add here the small box and indicate the slice color. Okay. So this is a legend key. Separator also you can add. See, every labels have a comma. Okay. So if you want to change the any other separator, just click on this drop down arrow and you can see there are some separator available. So I just use the semicolon. You see here the semicolon is added in every data labels. Okay. So this is a way you can add data label outside the pie chart. And if you want to fill the color in the data labels, you can easily fill it. Go to the Home tab in Font Group, click on the Fill Color option. Just click on the drop down arrow and select the color those you want. And you can see the background color is added on the data label. Okay. If you want to change the font color, you can change here also. Same as go to the Home tab in Font and click on the font color options and you can select here the color those you want. Okay. So I select this one and see the changes over here. Okay. If you want to set on bold, you can set the bold also. So this is a way you can add the data label outside the pie charts and you can format the labels also. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.